ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. And this is our 6th lesson. I hope you are practicing the lessons and you remember the 5th lesson. 5th lesson ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ 5th lesson ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ವರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ವರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ಕಮ್ಮಿ, ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ, ಬೇಗ ಬನ್ನಿ. And also if you would have observed in the last ali, I will always give the sentences. In that sentence there was one additional sentence which said please go slowly. Check madidra? If you have not checked, please go check ಮಾಡಿ. What is the word for slowly? Slow word ಏನು, slowly ಏನು? So please let me know in the comment section. Type ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ. If you have already seen and make a note, slow andre ಏನು? What is slow in Kannada? Slowly word in vocabulary. You have to give me the vocabulary. Okay na? Fine. And most of you are asking me to teach the directions and all those things. I'll be working on that one. So adannu martivi. We are going slowly. So we don't want to just jump to the sentences randomly. The main intention of these classes ಏನು, we are trying to connect with our old lesson. And the most important thing is confidence. I want every one of you to feel comfortable, happy, and you should enjoy when you speak. You should be confident when you speak. Ashte, okay na? So this is not at all a competition. So let us take in a comfortable pace. Be confident when you speak, okay na? And most importantly, I want every one of you to enjoy it. So this is a process of enjoying when you learn the language. So don't stress yourself, okay? So let's start. So last class ali we had learned the word kelsa, which means work. And if you have observed the additional information at the end, it also had a vocabulary for the sugar. Sugar andre sakre. I hope you have made a note. Very good. Okay. So little is a swalpa, less is a kammi, where I use it with a quantity. Bega is a fast. Banni means please come with respect. Hogi means please go with respect. Okay na? So idanna ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Comment section ಅಲ್ಲಿ please let me know slow and slowly. So let's come to the 6th lesson. So last lesson ಅಲ್ಲಿ mostly you will be using those words with the hotel ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಟೀ ಶಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಶುಗರ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಹಾಕಿ, ಶುಗರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಕಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಟೀ ಶಾಪ್. ಬೇಗ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಬ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಸಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್, ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋಸ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ದ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ಅ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಅ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಸೊ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್, ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ and we'll try to be a little bit more confident now, okay? So my first thing, as soon as I go to hotel, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, I will order for something. So basic order ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, it will be idli ಮತ್ತೆ coffee or dosa and coffee. And I hope you have watched the video on dosa. So try to pronounce it as a dosa, okay na? So that gives a little bit more connection to the language and to the situation. Okay, so ivaga first I will enter the hotel. I'll go to the cashier. So I'll say please give me 2 idli and 1 coffee. Most of you know this one already, nanige gottu, but still we are going to learn this. So give me 1 plate idli and 2 plate idli, 1 coffee. 2 plate idli, 1 coffee. So ಎರಡು I'm going to learn in Kannada, okay? ಎರಡು plate idli kodi. I'm breaking the sentence. 1 coffee kodi. So this is for the beginners. When you are starting, you can also tell 2 plate idli kodi, 1 coffee kodi. You are breaking in 2 sentences, alva? Let's combine these 2 sentences, make it one easier sentence. So 2 plate idli ಮತ್ತೆ is nothing but and. ಮತ್ತೆ 2 plate idli ಮತ್ತೆ 1 coffee ಕೊಡಿ. So how do I say it faster? 2 ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು 1 ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡಿ. 2 ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು 1 ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡಿ. 2 is a 2, 1 is a 1. So if you don't know the numbers, please take it in English. That's completely fine. Don't worry about it. So 2 ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು 1 ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡಿ. Please make a note in your regional language if needed. 2 ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು 1 ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ is and, spoken version. ಮತ್ತೆ also has a one more meaning which is again. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಡ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಮೀ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರಬೇಡ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಳಬೇಡ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೇ ಟು ಗೋ ವಿತ್ another context, another meaning for ಮತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ is basically spoken version ಅಲ್ಲಿ it's and one more meaning for ಮತ್ತೆ is again. Please make a note. Please make a note. Okay? So ನಾವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Obviously, the cashier would ask me another question. What is that question? That's it? So what is that? That's it. ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? That's it? ಅವಳದಾನಾ? ಉತ್ನಾ ಹೈ ಕ್ಯಾ? If I am not wrong, please correct me. I don't know in Telugu and Malayalam, I'm sorry. Okay, so his question is ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ. So ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶಿಯರ್, ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ. ಸೊ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೌ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಹಾಂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಾಂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಾಂ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಹಾಂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Simple. So I'm not going to extend this one. So now let me know in the comment section what will be the another way of answering. If you don't want to answer this, ha ashte, what is that another thing that you are going to answer? ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? If you don't know in Kannada, that's fine. Comment in English. Englishally comment ಮಾಡಿ. Okay na? So I'll take the sentences in the next class. I didn't receive any sentences till now for the last class. I told you in the last class itself. Comment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ನನಗೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಂತ. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ ಐ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಪನ್. ಇಫ್ ಐ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಎರಡನೇದಾಯಿತು. ನಾವು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಟೋಕನ್, ಯು ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇಡ್ಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಡಿಪ್ ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟ್. ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪ್, ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೇ, ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪ್. ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಪ್ ಬೇಡ, ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್, ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೌ ಐಲ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದ ಮೈ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಐಲ್ ಸೇ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So there is no need to find and get that right Kannada word for dip. Beda. Just go with the dip. It's a colloquial version that we are learning. We are not learning for some writing Kannada, essay writing exam kalitilla. So it's fine. Dip is a dip. Okay? Idli dip maadi. So if you don't want dip, what do you say? Idli separate kodi. Idli separate kodi. Idli separate kodi. Okay, so now you are asking for the chutney. So you want the chutney. Chutney nalli some hotel they will be having a very thick chutney. Thick irutte. Okay, and for the idli they will usually give the chutney which is like a little watery. Alva, telu irutte. Telu is a little watery anta helbodu. Teluge one more meaning is also thin anta barutte. So now I'm asking, I want chutney which is thick. So how do I ask? So I'll say gatti. Gatti. Gatti is thick. Okay, gatti chutney kodi. Gatti chutney kodi. Gatti chutney kodi. So before that you can add swalpa gatti chutney kodi, which is completely fine. More humble, obviously will give you the chutney. He won't say no. Okay, please swalpa gatti chutney kodi. So you can say ee chutney beda, I don't want this chutney, gatti chutney kodi. Gatti chutney kodi. Okay, so I'll add one more now. So you want extra sambar ivaga. So how do you ask? Very simple. Extra sambar kodi. Ashte. Extra sambar kodi. Be more humble. Please, extra sambar kodi. Or ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ 1 ಕಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸಿ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ವೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಾನು ಕಲ್ತಿರೋದು ಕೊಡಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೀಪ್ ರೊಟೇಟಿಂಗ್, ಕೀಪ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು these are the sentences that we want to learn. Yes. So now if you are ordering dosa, what is your special customization that you want for your dosa? For idli we will say dip ಮಾಡಿ separate ಕೊಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So now if you give it a token for a dosa, ಏನು specification ಇದೆ? What is that specification that you would ask for? Do let me know in the comment section. Based on that, the next lesson will be prepared for you. Okay na? So if you cannot translate in Kannada, that's fine. Give me your thoughts, give me your idea, give me your questions, give me your doubts in English. That's completely fine. Okay, so this was our lesson 6, which is completely simple, completely easy. But most important thing, now I want you to improvise these sentences. Enadru improvise ಮಾಡಿ, choose any 2 sentences, try to improvise it, or the way of answering or the way of asking, anything improvise ಮಾಡಿ, comment ಮಾಡಿ. Okay na? So I'll see you everyone in the next lesson, lesson 7. Make sure that you will comment. Your comments will be taken for the next lesson review. So next lesson ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ I'll take all your comments, questions, doubts ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು I'll do the review. I'll give you the answers for all the questions that you have asked me. So comment ಮಾಡಿ. Please share this video with your friend who is struggling to learn Kannada, who is very much interested to learn Kannada. Okay na? So I'll see you everyone in the lesson 7, and please do check the links. These are the links where you have a spoken Kannada lessons already available with the detailed grammar. Also there is a spoken Kannada ebook which is being launched by Yashaswini. You can also purchase that book. I leave the link here. Description allu kuda link ide. Check ಮಾಡಿ, sample copy check ಮಾಡಿ. If you are interested, you can purchase the book. Okay na? So I'll meet everyone on 7th lesson. Namaskara.